Hey there, dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey that will satisfy your sweet tooth like never before. I'm your host the Cajun Lady, and today, we're diving deep into the realm of decadent desserts. So grab your fork, because we're about to uncover the secrets behind some of the most indulgent treats you've ever seen. 1. The art of chocolate temptation. Our first stop on this delightful journey is all about the art of chocolate temptation. Picture this: velvety, molten chocolate lava cakes that ooze with rich, gooey goodness as you cut into them. It's a symphony of flavors that's bound to make your taste buds dance with joy. But that's not all. We'll also be exploring the fascinating world of handcrafted truffles, where every bite is a heavenly experience that blends the finest cocoa with a burst of delightful flavors. 2. Whimsical macaron magic. Now, let's talk about a treat that's as delicate as it is enchanting: macarons. These colorful, bite-sized delights are like a canvas for bakers to showcase their creativity. From the classic flavors like raspberry and pistachio to unique combinations like lavender honey and matcha, macarons are a sweet masterpiece. But what's the secret behind that perfect, airy texture and those smooth, creamy fillings? Stick around, because we're about to unveil the techniques that make these little wonders so irresistibly exquisite. 3. Decadent delights from around the world. Get ready for a global dessert adventure. In this segment, we'll be jetting off to different corners of the world to discover decadent delights that have been cherished for generations. From Italy's rich and creamy tiramisu to France's elegant crème brûlée, our taste buds are in for a worldly treat. It's amazing how each culture has its own unique take on indulgence, and we're about to explore the stories and flavors that make these desserts so special. 4. DIY decadence. Mastering dessert artistry. Now, it's time to put on our aprons and step into the role of dessert artists. In this segment, we'll be joined by a skilled pastry chef who will guide us through the process of creating our very own decadent masterpiece. Whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro, you're in for a treat as we learn the tips, tricks, and techniques that elevate a simple dessert into a work of edible art. And there you have it, dessert enthusiasts. Our exploration of the enchanting world of decadent desserts comes to a close. From the alluring allure of chocolate to the delicate beauty of macarons, and the international flavors that ignite our taste buds, the world of desserts is truly a magical one. Thank you so much for joining us on this delectable adventure. If you're craving more sweet content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment sharing your favorite decadent treat. Until next time, remember to treat yourself and keep indulging in life's little pleasures.